Hello everyone, welcome to our course Engineering Drawing. I am Bharat Guru from Mechanical Engineering Department, MIT Aurangabad. Earlier videos we tried to look at the projection of points, lines, and now we are going to look at the projection of planes. Plane by definition is a two-dimensional object. It has length, it has breadth. For example, we can take drawing sheet or paper. The thickness is much smaller compared to either length or breadth. Kinds of planes. Plane may be triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, circle, etc. As in case of projection of lines, first we see the different positions of planes. Plane parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Plane parallel to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. Plane perpendicular to both horizontal and vertical plane. Plane inclined to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Plane inclined to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. Let us see first case, plane parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. This is vertical plane and horizontal plane. A plane rectangle parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. We can easily see that if we are looking from front side, we will see a horizontal line as a front view. The complete area we can see from top side in top view. The true shape of this rectangle we will get in top view. This is complete top view. Second case, plane parallel to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. Vertical plane, horizontal plane, and the rectangle is parallel to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. If we see from front side, we will get front view as a true shape of this rectangle as front view in vertical plane. If we see from top side, we will get top view as a line. We will see only line in top view. Third case, plane perpendicular to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. This is vertical plane, horizontal plane, and the rectangle is perpendicular to both HP and VP. In this case, both front view and top view, we get a single line. Here we get its true shape in side view. We will see later on how to draw this side view. But when the plane is perpendicular, both horizontal plane and vertical plane, we will see two lines in front view and in top view. Next case, plane inclined to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Vertical plane, horizontal plane, and the rectangle is inclined to horizontal plane at an angle theta and perpendicular to vertical plane. If we want to draw its projections, first we see from front side, we will get a slant line as a front view which is inclined at theta. If we want to draw its top view, we see from top side, we will see reduced shape of this rectangle. As this plane is inclined to horizontal plane, that's why in top view we see the reduced shape of this rectangle in top view. Next case, plane inclined to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. This is vertical plane, horizontal plane, and a rectangle is inclined to vertical plane at an angle phi. Always the inclination with vertical plane is denoted by phi. If we want to draw its front view, see from front side, we get reduced shape of this rectangle as a front view. As this plane is inclined with vertical plane, we get this reduced shape of this rectangle. If we want to draw its top view, we see from top side, we will get a single straight line. There may be the another case when plane is inclined to both the planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. But our syllabus is restricted up to the plane inclined to one of the reference plane only. Thank you.